Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness and nutrition to bring you the lowdown on what could be the best organic protein powder for muscle gain available right now. That's right, we're talking about MuscleTech Whey Protein Powder. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's set the stage. We all know the importance of protein when it comes to building lean muscle mass and enhancing our performance in the gym. But not all protein powders are created equal. That's where MuscleTech NitroTech comes in. With its scientifically engineered formula, MuscleTech NitroTech is designed to give you more muscle, more strength, and better overall performance. And here's the kicker. It's packed with high-quality ingredients like whey peptides, whey protein isolate, and creatine monohydrate, making it a powerhouse for muscle builders, both men and women. Each serving of MuscleTech NitroTech contains a whopping 30 grams of protein, making it one of the most potent protein powders on the market. And with 40 servings per container, you'll have plenty to fuel your gains for weeks to come. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, taste. Because let's be honest, no matter how effective a protein powder is, if it tastes like chalk, it's a hard pass. But fear not, folks. MuscleTech NitroTech comes in a variety of delicious flavors like chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry, ensuring that you actually look forward to drinking it post-workout. But what really sets MuscleTech NitroTech apart from the competition is its ability to deliver results. Thanks to its blend of whey peptides and creatine monohydrate, users have reported significant gains in lean muscle mass, increased strength, and improved recovery time. But here's the best part. MuscleTech NitroTech isn't just effective, it's also backed by science. With decades of research and development behind it, this protein powder is formulated to help you reach your fitness goals faster and more efficiently than ever before. So, there you have it, folks. MuscleTech NitroTech Whey Protein Powder. The ultimate solution for anyone looking to pack on lean muscle mass, increase strength, and optimize their performance in the gym. If you're serious about taking your fitness journey to the next level, give MuscleTech NitroTech a try today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep crushing those goals.